Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the brightness on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the crown button on your watch to open the app menu. Select Settings from the menu. In Settings, select Display. Then in the display settings, select Brightness. The little A at the bottom of the brightness bar is the automatic brightness. When the A is blue, it means that automatic brightness is turned on, and your watch's display will automatically adjust the brightness based on your surroundings. Tap the A to turn automatic brightness off. When automatic brightness is turned off, the A will be grey. You change the brightness by sliding the brightness bar up and down with automatic brightness switched off. You can do this with your finger or by turning the crown. You can also get to the brightness settings a bit quicker by swiping down from the top of the home screen of your watch to open the quick panel. In the quick panel, tap on the brightness icon that looks like a sun. You can change the brightness from here like before. You can also change your watch's brightness in the Zepp app. To do this, open up the Zepp app and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap your watch's name under My Devices at the top. Select Watch Settings. Then select Display and Brightness. Tap the toggle to the right of Auto Brightness to turn Auto Brightness off. You can then slide the brightness slider up and down to change your watch's brightness. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.